We'll talk top load washers versus front load washers. Top load washers, Speed Queen does make, in my opinion, the best top load washer out there. They start again with a commercial. They're in the commercial business. They build commercial machines. They're not in the residential business trying to build a commercial or adapting a residential to a commercial application. We find them to put up with a lot of abuse. They've got stainless steel tubs in them. They've got direct drive pumps in them. They've got decent water valves in them that don't have to be replaced all the time. They don't have lid locks, which some people, they always like to lift the lid up on a top loader and see what's being run. They want to look at it, put it back down, put their hand into it to make sure their water's warm or hot. So if you're going to go, we would probably recommend a Speed Queen. We do carry other brands because, again, sometimes a customer has budget concerns. We do have Maytag, which makes a wonderful machine. They're 5-year parts warranty on them and a little less budget versus the Speed Queen. Front load washers, LG has come out with a 35-pound, so very giant sized load, front load washer that is been very well received in the marketplace for people that were, let's say they're an RV park and they wanted a larger commercial machine, but they can't afford a true 35-pound, let's say Speed Queen or a Continental machine. They would, we can switch them to the LG Titan, which will give them a 35-pound capacity, and it runs beautifully, and they'll enjoy being able to have some larger capacity for those people that might have sleeping bags or blankets or something to wash that may not fit into a smaller, I'll call it residential size type washer. Speed Queen does offer on the, we'll call it the small chassis line, they do have a front load washer that's 3.5 cubic feet. Then they go into the commercial machines, and we got 20s, 30s, 40s, 60s, 80s, and 100s in front load capacity. So they build the whole spectrum of machines to be able to offer the customer.